Oh, oh, oh!
Just be careful, nah, nah. Love ain't simple, nah, nah. Promise me no promises.
Alright, let's see. Is the wax ready? Ooh, it's very ready. I'm gonna wax my armpit, guys. At home wax. Hit me up. Huh? I'm vlogging? Oh, yes.
Honey. Delicious. Taste it all? Oh, shoot. I thought you were gonna practice on your hand.
No, it's good. Woo! 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 She's hot. Okay. You go direction of your hair.
Oh no.
And then push it up. Oh yes.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
No! It's not ready. So you push the direction of the hair. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ready, set. Oh God, I'm scared.
Can I do it for you?
No, no.
Please?
Okay.
I want to do it.
No. Let's rip
Can
it.
I?
Wanna rip it?
Can I do it?
No.
Okay, ready?
No.
Ready? 1, 2. I didn't even do it!
Oh, it hurts.
Oh my god, like, you didn't get that much. It's all on there. You missed the top.
Yeah, I needed to do it in sections.
Oh.
Okay.
Dude, that looks nasty. Like the yellow. The yellow looks nasty.
All right, ready? Yeah. Oh no, it's gonna hurt.
1, 2, 3.
Oh no!
I got you, dude. That's
Oh,
why
I got it.
Me to do it. You missed the strand. Oh, it's bleeding. You have a little bit.
Right. Ooh, wow.
Don't mind our
Dude, our arms are tight. They're just a little snug.
Okay.
Ooh, very nice. So pretty. Look like twins. So cute. Engagement. Here we come. Shoes. We need shoes, yo.
Nope. I think we're good.
Oh, oh, oh! I stepped on my own pants. Looks so good. Okay.
Oh yeah, so
It's so pretty. Wow. Check it out. Oh, there's the golf course. Well, that's your bad.
Alright, I need some more champagne. So we are here at engagement party somewhere up in the hills where the rich people live. And there's a pool outside. So awkward. There's a pool outside. Wow. Pool outside. Look behind you.
Xin quý anh chị cha chu Văn Minh sẽ làm phép của ăn và xin mời tất cả các bác với các anh chị sau khi cha làm phép của ăn xong.
Second best Sunday ever.
Oh my goodness. So good. Look guys, we use the tablecloth as our napkin so we don't spill. Very nice. Fine dining. What? Look how tiny his fork is. There's a normal fork.
It's empty.
Nhỏ nhỏ nha. Hả mẹ?
Me next, me next. So we went to 85 to get Gabby some taro buns, but there was no more taro buns, so we got everything with taro in it. Taro swirl, something taro, taro marble, and then the other two are ours. Hey guys, thank you so much for coming to my meet and greet. It's such an honor. Oh my gosh, we got yes, you want to take pictures? Hello.
Got it.
And thank you guys so much for coming. I know you guys can't come, but it's okay. Security reasons, you have to be that far away. Good. I'll be here.
Ready, guys? Wait, so watch out. 1, 2, 3. Gabby!
But I hope I've learned a few things since then. I also want to apologize in advance for the unwarranted amount of sci-fi.
There she is. Isn't she lovely? Beautiful. What a sight to see. She's next, guys.
Luvina? No.
No, next.
I know.
Arishi Aurora.
Why did I open this so early?
Gabby Nguyen.
Bro, we is hella loud.
Donald Hart. Good job, guys.
I don't know how loud it is. Someone was screaming in my ear. Gabby.
Oh, there's gas in my foot.
I told you. Okay, where's Gabby? You guys singing?
It goes from there.
Ew, don't do that.
Debbie.
I can't see anything. What is she? Where is she?
A few moments later.
Let's see, yo!
That's not Gabby.
Donby. Is she lost? Is she finding her boo? What's happening over here? We're all waiting for her. So we're waiting for Gabby. We don't know where she is. Our whole crew is right here. We can't find her. Hello? Gabby?
6.5 hours later.
I see her. She's going for us. Where?
Why are you pushing me?
I'm trying to go in a circle.
Hello, thank you for coming.
Aww, so cute. Should we give Look at Ryan. Wow, Ryan. You're doing great, sweetie. You're doing great.